Hey everybody, how is it going? It is your pal, Sal here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first single reaction of 2022. So today, Mr. Charlie, or Charles, however you want to call him, Mr. Puth, has just dropped his latest single, Light Switch. So if anybody is on TikTok, which, you know, sometimes I'm sad to admit, that I spend as much time on there as I do. Charlie has been teasing this song for a while. It came to him and he's made so many TikToks, many of which I've seen, so I feel like I've been part of the creative process of this single becoming a thing. But here, the thing is that if you know what's going on here, which I know. I've heard, like I said, many snippets have been, he's released many snippets of this track, and I've been very excited to listen to it, especially because I feel bad for Charlie, because last year, technically 2 years ago, he released Girlfriend, the single that came out in the summer of 2020, and I absolutely loved that song, and it's a shame to me that it was not a big hit, like, not at all, and I'm like, come on, that's not right. But from what it seems, this looks like it's going to be the lead single off of his upcoming album, so I hope it does well. It's already very popular on TikTok. The sound appeared on TikTok. He released that officially before the full single, so I find that really interesting. It's a different world we're living in. But regardless, I'm excited to listen to this with you guys today, so without further ado, this is Light Switch by Charlie Puth. So here we go. And I do remember how we started it off in the video. We gotta love the 80s aesthetic. Oh, I know exactly. I remember when I made the sound.
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty?
So that's the same in the TikTok.
Cause you got that, yeah.
Okay.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's.
Oh, I do like that lyric, why you always act like lovers, but you never want to be each other's. Okay, Charlie.
You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. I don't wanna fight this song. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around.
That'll never get old, I think.
Do you love it when you keep me guessing?
Okay.
And then you leave me stressing.
I love that.
When you walk like that,
Yeah.
Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other.
Oh, he built on that. I like that.
I said don't look back, but I go right back. And all of a sudden I'm hypnotized by the ones that I can't deny. Every time that I sing, I'm gonna walk away. You turn me on like a light switch.
How could that get old? I mean, come on. Oh, that I was not expecting. He said switch. Come on, come on. Wow. Come on, come on, come on. Okay.
Switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to.
Oh wow. Oh, you didn't do the sound there. Okay. Oh no, not yet. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow. Dude. Okay. Yes. Oh, I was not expecting it to end on the light switch sound. That is lovely. Okay, so with light switch, I have to say I am actually really enthused by it because, you know, with a lot of these songs that end up on TikTok today, they're all about the chorus, like, and everything else sucks. Because Charlie is an actual songwriter and has been in the business for a decent amount of time, I feel like he can, you know, make a full-fledged song, and the verses are just as fun as the chorus. I mean, the rhymes he does, everything about that I love. I love that he got into his lower vocals towards the bridge, towards the end there. I liked it. I have to say, it did not disappoint. Did we hear a lot of it already from TikTok? Yeah, but it still works. And I mean, we all have that one person that turns us on like a light switch. I mean, it's easy to follow. I like it. And I think after Girlfriend, it's still just as great of a single that I hope does extremely well. So, Charlie, I'm hoping the best for you because this is really good. But then again, he's made a decent amount because he has a co-writing credit on Stay, and as we all know, that was the #1 song of 2021. So he's doing just fine. So I loved it. Hopefully you guys like it too. The video does drop later today, so hopefully I'll get the chance to check that out. What do you guys think of Light Switch? Let me know in the comments below. As always, do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at Salvador J. Rocha, Twitter at Sal Says Stuff, and TikTok at SalRocha1. And I'll see you guys ever so soon. Have an amazing day, and be sure to turn on that light switch. Bye.